Hi, I'm an adult. Hey guys, AmandaSushma here and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to test the viral blush hack that's been trending on Instagram and TikTok. Basically, it's where people are putting lipstick on their cheeks and on their nose, a red or a pink, and then they blend it out and put foundation, concealer, and do the rest of their face. And it's supposed to give like a natural flushed look. Let's just hop into it because I'm a little bit skeptical about this, just because most of the ones I've seen, they kind of have this unnatural skin tone or like undertone color. That's what it looks like, because I guess it just applied too much or something. But let's just go ahead and try it. I'll try and keep an open mind. So some people were saying using a matte lipstick would be better just because it'll just be long lasting and it might blend a little bit more seamless with the foundation. And I do have Soap and Glory, like a SPF moisturizer on my face right now, so my face is moisturized. And I'm using this one. It's a little bit, I would say it's a little bit darker on the red side, but I figured why not just give it a shot. This one is from the Sephora collection. It doesn't have a name, it just says it's 25. If I can find the name, I'll link it for you, but it's a cream lip stain and it usually dries pretty matte on my lips, so figured why not try and apply it to my cheeks. And I just want you guys to know that I had really bad acne in middle school and it took me forever to just get rid of the dark spots, and now I am putting red lipstick on my face, so please subscribe. Thank you. So I zoomed you guys in so you could see, you know, a little bit more about what's going on. You know, I've used that, I think it's Deepika Mutiala from Live Tinted. She did the, you know, the under eye trick with red lipstick. I used to do that and it worked, but that was like color corrector. This is like you need it to show. So we'll see. Let's just apply this. Don't judge these. These are just recent things. Like, just pretend they're not there, you know. That's life. It happens. You know, I should probably blend this out because this lipstick is pretty fast drying. Hi, I'm an adult. This is why I don't try these viral hacks, because I end up looking really stupid. But, so this is what it's going to look like, and then I'll put foundation after it. I feel like I'm just like prepping for like a Halloween look or something, like a really bad Halloween look. So let's just go ahead and apply foundation, and I just realized that this is the only big like sponge I own to apply foundation, so I'll just do it on the other side. So I'm applying the Real Techniques Pro Matte HD Foundation in the shade Light Tan. And if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with this. If you've seen any of my past videos, you know I'm obsessed with this. So yeah, we'll just be using that. And it is a medium to full coverage foundation. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Let's see. I'm using natural light right now, like it's behind the window, but I think let me try and lower this. Ooh. Let's see. That looks a little bit, I don't know, it looks a little bit red. I'm just gonna go and finish the rest of my face like I normally would without the blush, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and hopefully you can see it's a little bit more orange looking. Like when I went to my mirror, I was like, whoa, the camera is not reflecting it even though I'm in natural light. So I'm going to take us outside so maybe you can see like the true what it looks like. But this is interesting. I feel like the people we see on TikTok and Instagram, the camera quality and some editing are definitely helping it look a little bit more normal. Not all of them, but most of them, I'm pretty sure it does not look very good in real life. So let's just go outside. As you guys can see, it doesn't really blend with the rest of my face. Like I didn't expect it to match, but at least look decent with my other pieces of my face, if that makes sense. Like my forehead only has the foundation, my under eyes have concealer and powder, and yeah, so it just didn't go with the rest of my face. It just looks like I got sunburnt or something. So yeah, this is what that trend looks like. And keep in mind, this foundation is medium to full coverage, so this is what it will look like. It just looks like okay in the camera right now. Like it looks okay, but if I have my mirror right here, it looks ridiculous. It looks like, you know, those people when they're like out at the beach tanning and they leave their sunglasses on because of the concealer. I have my under eyes are a little bit lighter, so it just looks like unusually red under here, and my forehead is like totally fine. But yeah, the outside version is exactly what it looks like. This looks too good. Like, yeah, this looks way too good. I don't know why it looks so good. Maybe if I lower the light, it's a little bit closer to what it looks like. I can definitely see it on my nose. Maybe it was the lipstick I used. Maybe it was too strong, but it just looked really bad. But I feel like I was following the trend correctly because they use very like vibrant colors in the trendy videos. So yeah, I think it's just, you know, the camera, the editing, things like that. I'm sure some of them might be using like, maybe it's like pigmented when you put it on, but you can blend it out and it comes out really nice and sheer, so it give you a nicer look. But yeah, this is really bad. I don't recommend this trend. Just put blush on top, it's fine. And then for a flushed look, you can always use like something along the lines of like the Glossier Cloud Point paints, or like a lip, like let me see, I have this lip balm. You could use these like tinted lip balms to just add a little bit on your cheek for like a flushed look. So there are other ways to do it rather than putting lipstick all over your cheeks. So this was my first time trying one of those viral trendy makeup video type things. It was a super fail, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if this worked, like this method works for you, definitely keep doing it. Like there's no rules to makeup. Don't let somebody like me or like other skeptics turn you off from that. If it works, it works. And definitely let me know what lipstick you're using if it works for you, so maybe I could try it again. But thanks you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe and give a girl a like because my skin is probably gonna break out from doing this video. And that's about it. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Bye!